Welcome to Session 15. Polynomials extend quadratics. Today we focus on standard form, end behavior, polynomial operations, the factor theorem, remainders, and multiplicity. Write polynomials in descending powers. The highest exponent gives the degree, and the leading coefficient plus degree parity predicts end behavior. Polynomial operations are mostly organization. When subtracting, distribute the negative to every term. When multiplying, every term in one factor multiplies every term in the other. The factor theorem connects roots and factors. If f of 3 equals 0, then x minus 3 is a factor, and 3 is an x-intercept. The remainder theorem says the remainder after division by x minus r is f of r. For 2x cubed minus x plus 5 divided by x minus 2, the remainder is 19. Multiplicity tells graph behavior at a 0. An even multiplicity touches and turns. An odd multiplicity crosses. Degree and leading sign still control the far left and far right ends. Your turn. Find the remainder when 2x cubed minus x plus 5 is divided by x minus 2. Pause and use the remainder theorem. Dividing by x minus 2 means evaluate p of 2. 2 times 8 minus 2 plus 5 equals 19, so the remainder is 19. Session 15 recap. Standard form reveals degree and leading sign. The leading term controls end behavior. The factor theorem connects zeros and factors. The remainder theorem gives remainders by substitution. Even multiplicity touches, and odd multiplicity crosses.